Hey guys, we received this Vvinca kids goggles for test and try. So they are with comfort fabric strap, kids swim goggles, wide view, anti-fog, UV, or no leaking swimming goggles. So let me just open the box and you can see that it comes in a really nice box and there's a pair of two glasses. So first of all, they comes in a nice pouches as you can see, and these are premium quality glasses. So the both have their individual pouches along or the cases along with this logo on the top, and these are the nice pouches as well, and the goggles looks really good. So as you can see, the quality it's have this nice quality flexible rubber grip, so this will be like no water going inside and also from the top and the side. So the fabric or the strap is comfortable and the white strap, so it's good for the kids. Two colors like blue and the blue yellow, so they are really nice thing for the comfort thing as well, and you can adjust this um, strap accordingly based on the kid's head size. So it's a wide one, like say 25 mm, and there's no hole hair pulling as well. And like we just is comfortable on the head and from the side.